viewers, the videos that I'm making in Thailand, one of the key purposes of this is to know about the people, to know about the culture, to know about the things which we normally don't get to know about different cultures in cities and countries. So here I found this gentleman, Mr. You please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Pawan. Yeah, I born and raised in Bangkok. So I work here as a receptionist in Bangkok for 5 months already.
Okay, I'm staying with Mr.
Pawan.
Pawan.
Yes.
And he has been a great host and a great facilitator, and he has guided me a lot regarding different tourist sites and good shopping sites in Thailand and especially in Bangkok. So today I was just asking him about his name and how he has been named. So he'll briefly tell you about the background of this name, Pawan. Pawan,
Yeah.
please show this to
This
people.
one.
So this is Pawan, Plawan,
Yes.
which means
It's been well in Thai. It's been well. Yeah.
so in Thai language it is the translation of Plawan is whale, a fish, a huge fish. And
Yeah.
what's the name of your brother?
My brother name is Loma.
So here it is,
Yes.
Lomar, Lomar, and what does it mean?
It means dolphin in English.
Okay, now tell me, very interesting, very cool names.
Thank you.
Now tell me, how have you been named after these two fishes?
My mom, because of my mom, liked about the documentary or animal. Yeah, that's why my name is Pawan and my brother name is Loma, whale and dolphin.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. So what he's telling me is that in Thailand this is kind of a culture that whatever you like, you can name your children after those things. For example, her mom likes fish. So the two fish that she likes the most are whale and dolphin. So he is Mr. Whale and his brother is Mr. Dolphin. Huh?
Yes.
This is how I can call you in English.
Yes, sure.
Thank you very much, Rohan, for briefing me about this. It was really an informative thing. I didn't know about that this is how people can be named after. So thank you very much, and
You're
thank you for
welcome.
your support and all the information that you have been providing to me.
You're
Thanks a lot.
welcome.
Nice
Very
to
welcome.
nice talking to you. And I hope that one day you will be coming to Pakistan. This is a beautiful country. Just do a quick Google search about Pakistan. You'll find lots of mountains. Like K2, which is the second highest mountain in the world, and you will find sea, desert, jungle, everything. The people are really good and friendly. Do watch some videos of some foreign visitors who have been to Pakistan and the way they explain you. Definitely, that is my country. I'll always explain that to you in a very good way. But that just look at some videos for a third-party verification of whatever I'm telling you about. Thank you, Alex. Thanks a lot. Stay
You're
blessed.
welcome.